Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use the array formula function in Google Sheet. A powerful tool to apply formulas to an entire column automatically. Let's begin. What is array formula? Normally when you write a formula in one cell, you have to drag it down to apply it to other rows. But with array formula, you can apply a formula to multiple rows at once without dragging. It saves time and keep your sheet clean. Let's say you have two columns, unit sold in column A, rate per unit in column B. Now we want to calculate the total amount in column C by multiplying unit multiplied by rate. Click on the cell C2 and type this formula. Then press enter. Google Sheet will instantly fill the entire column with the total amounts, no dragging needed. So that's how you use the array formula function in Google Sheet. It's easy, powerful and perfect for working with column-based formulas. Try it out in your sheet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more Google Sheet tips. Thanks for watching.